So guys, today I'm doing a quick video of my actual first cut with the Costycnc foam cutter from Italy. Just want to show you an example of how it cuts this in real time. So basically, I did a quick Google search here for the Vespa logo just for fun, and yeah, I just went to this website seeklogo.com. I downloaded the Vespa logo. I'm on a Mac, but I'm actually running Windows. This is the website from Costycnc. I basically downloaded the file here, which is Vespa. The Vespa logo is an SVG file, and automatically it creates the G code. You connect the machine. I already did that before, and I just want to show you in real time. So here's that logo. The software automatically makes the G codes where, you know, the hot wire is going to make its cuts, which is not so obvious with the hot wire. You don't want it to cut, you know, where you want it most, let's say. So anyway, so this is the result. And now I'm going to send it to the machine. I positioned the carrier all the way to the left, which is my 0x0. And how it's set up currently is what you see here. To get that cut on the foam, I have to position the hot wire this way. So it will be exactly like on the screen. So it will start to cut from here. So I have almost, this is a 1 inch, yeah, something like a 1 inch foam. I just put a bottle here to keep it straight. I will press start. One moment. Okay, send to machine. One moment, everything is plugged in. Oh, I have to, hold on a second, I have to, because I plugged out the machine here. One moment. What I have to do, I have to connect. I'm connecting the machine to the port. Connect. Okay, send to machine. One moment. I did something wrong. I have to start new. First, connect to machine. Get the port. Okay, I hear the stepper motor going on. I choose my SVG file, which is the Vespa. Okay, it loaded the file. I'm going to make it a little larger. I guess it was 4. Yes, so it will be 31 centimeters. This is like scaling the file. Okay, now I'm going to send. I'm going to hit send. Okay, there we go. So this is real-time cutting. I don't know if you can see the wire. One moment. Wait, from a better direction maybe here. Hold on. Yeah, like this is better. So real time. You want to see it from a distance. So it can do, you know, 75 centimeters high. I just have it set up with the 2 tracks here. You can go as long as you want. So I will make it going in this direction of the table so I can put a full sheet. Anyway, back to the cuts. You can regulate the temperature of the hot wire here. So basically you just plug it in. I have the adapter here, which is the power supply, and it connects to the board here. but you can set the temperature here. So I have it not too hot. It's cutting pretty good, because the more heat you put, the more space there will be in your cuts. I just want to show you real time, so you have an idea of the speed. I think it's doing pretty well. Okay, so that's it.